In this video, I'll show you how to receive money into your Wise account. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the Home tab, you'll see your different currency balances like USD, EUR, GBP, or PHP. To receive money, you need to use the balance in the same currency the sender will use. Tap the currency balance you want to be paid into. For example, USD, if someone is sending dollars. On the next screen, tap Account Details or your account details. If you don't see any yet, tap Get Account Details and follow the steps to activate them. You'll now see the bank details you can share, such as account name, account number /IBAN routing /sort, code /BEIC, tap Copy or Share, and send these details to the person or company paying you. Tell them to use a bank transfer to those exact details and include any reference Wise shows if required. Once they send the money, you'll get a notification in Wise and the amount will appear in that currency balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.